creation of bill of material, let's discuss the manufacturing process. Essentially, what is manufacturing? Manufacturing refers to the entire process of making a product, starting from the procurement of raw materials to the production of finished goods. So there are two types of manufacturing process. The first type involves a fixed formula for a product creation, while the second type doesn't have a fixed formula. So speaking from business perspective, in case where there is a fixed formula for manufacturing a product, we create a bill of material. So this document specifies the formula and details the necessary raw materials. For example, if we are to make a shirt, the BOM would outline the required raw materials such as cotton fabric, buttons, threads, and so on. We will discuss the creation of a bill of material. So for this purpose, BC provides a feature that is enabled by default. This feature can be found in the administration section under configuration, feature and option, inventory tab, and it is called enable manufacturing process. Now let's proceed to create a BOM. To do this, go to the administration section, select the master option where you will find the BOM option and click to add. Firstly, you will need to specify the name of BOM for easy identification. Next, if you want to assign a unique code, so you can specify in alias. Then you will need to specify the item to produce. You will need to create this item first if it doesn't already exist. Alternatively, you can also create the item from here using the shortcut F3. Next, we move on to the specifying the quantity. Here, we will define the quantity required by the formula. For example, to produce 1 unit of finished goods A, we need to specify which raw material will be consumed according to the one quantity. If there are any additional expense per unit, those can be specified as well. Please note that these expenses are calculated per unit. Now let's proceed to the next option, that is raw material consumed. Here you will specify the list of raw materials and their respective quantities. You will specify the raw material in this manner. Additionally, in the last box, there is an option to mention any byproduct. If there is any leftover materials after producing the finished goods and you intend to use it to create another product, you can specify it in the byproduct section along with the quantity. After filling in all the necessary details, save the information. And if you need to make any changes, you can do so by clicking on the modify button. And if you wish to view the list of BOMs, you can do that by clicking on the list option. This concludes the first step of manufacturing in creating a bill of material in BUSY. For more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.